Bia Kamal anda mandu ni shan kod nyak mla nong rice ni an wala shanga dies ka pai wel ron kina dangaro wi jan dangaro wi dies shanga wala me bana ro entity bana ke ling ken yam gor jeno bana roach ke dol me cha dol ray wi ki juba jen gor mono bana roach bana linkel ke jen lar men ken yam bana klo ti ko ken take a lot Korean by the way to go there and there take a link gwado kon mishish kon and then tin were kon ko tikare duoli ki juba duol to ke duol ti wako writing ke kwingoni nuare do brande nuade ko niam ka ja but at the same time ngai kon no to kore shushka gore jano ba jo me be go no be nywa yikel ko do brande ne shabin ka ja mi jira mi jidit ka no online tv channel gore jano gender channel de support ka dere notification ba der je twine ko mi chate ka mi shi breach gwada men dong de choma shu be ka pat mi dong te video mi chalet channel right ka key customer law and ana chala re wetin wale ki chalet ka dio japan ka juba kenyam ngane je gwan wo to kon re shu ka jan gwasame dong shi tam ko dong de nuade kan wo ka milat ken o ti ke ngot gerke do no bejo kwen bas and do brana chikaro ke je ko chikana gor ki chikana lat ken de kon tire ke juba ne de kon te kel ke kin mi yadit ka ta na chikan dol ka jan reason dana na melet ken dungon ka ja ka ngai ken no wono kore rika right now so there a bad bomat but do batin content chikan galat gwas me be kan ngiya ki bu kon ka nywa kel ka ta dana chikan lat ka ja and then mete kon ka mudo dien mudong bana wonyo ga yo kostu ko ken katen but gor jena me der la mandana de kon ling cha woni tin content la jung woni re wi ki juba chi ka nyur lanwer community men tire which ka juba men chi ka nyur ka quick customer law tang woni kon enono jeken dio ja jeken pan dio ja ka jodana chalat gwasame duno kwaje la pai la re ka kor gwadan pai go chi ga right ka queen dana queen arudin ke je re duan wore reason dana queen arudin ke je and then a kel mudong chikana lat na bana kula right in ka ta dana chikana lat ke je cause gor kono wade be mi chikana lat gwazan be lat ye then be kon kula ko dong de kon mande kon la de kon gwich okay ko gor kono nyaka please ne de kokin because very important okay gwada me re wiki juba chika take 3-day gathering ala nindang jok tiken kanang gwada dam chik writing tin war elder tiketin nere kon la dit wate shift tiketin la jingonde kon cholo kwan wori te legal scholar tiketin te ngwan tiketin wa it members of diaspora near contrar which tin chitere which ka South Sudan tiketin ba no wa chicken right ka kwingon tin kon ye narudin ga kere wiki juba kan ngora to chika right ka kwi unity ka meden wade kamat chika right ka ta dan en dong tin what population take jala pignat no but many li chika right long ka kwi kwen gwada me chika la do kwen chaji yuniam chika right ka kwi kwen kenya makan kononiam James Usmai jala chairman kanur community re wiki juba James Usmai me chana jora chana ling me change ajana wati ka dolo kana tin konti ka juba ko ba ngod ba ka ger ngoden kona ka ke so ramadan ku dol me ko chair James Usmai ajala chairman kanur community re wiki juba mu ku jibe chungach James Usmai chairman ka kor ga diran chana warga chana gorne mi cha gorno cha un mai cha recognize and wertin ko kinti te ka diaspora mentin konente dre chieni ka village but quite recognize ni te konti ka juba gwazeme akane chikanti ke disunity ka dobran ikan lat keje ka ngotin konente ka eastern nuer kana western section of the nuer kata dan kuna ka je la marriage kene dowry la yu kwak la tu ko chikok ke yu chikaraitin wa ta dan kwen ka gwar ke je wa she fair ko tenir wan la yu ke ok la kan ka unial no no shagu je no china chi ngwane chicken queen gwar ke ne de luang ajen mi lat ke no chi ka dol ka je mone la ki focus ke ata dan lat ke je no ne ala traditional dowry ke yuru kon la tupke gwada nanen kwen ka nyaltin tanat la ken kun ko jen dangre wi di tanat kun kan ko jen jok wi di no jen ngai kona tanat du ken ka kor jen dangro ken it motu kun ka oktu ku dangro no no chikar right tin no mo so rami mo kun ko oktu kor jen dangro ken ram kun ka ko ku dangro no mo chaji gno jen eliak munyu do di me ram kun ka ko oktu kor jen dangro ke ram kun ko oktu ku dangro wanyu de jeno and tem right corner why yankel take ku dang jog dollar you ku dang jog dollar we gonna long beja long right so me kun ka 120 ka ki 200 you jeno they you to chop 25,000 US dollar de ka kon go de ku queen me jin ram young man so ngai kon beja long tina de queen eno bana queen ko to chop ka koru jen dangro ki ku dangro wa nong ne tin konte dong te ka dar ki ne to mo chidier dong you the pig ni amano bana kwen ka peg ti choko kor jan dangro jene chal ke odi jin chile nyaadu chile gor jeno bo shin dormo gwa but kok nije aware de take a dar mishi nyaadu shi kwak ko kor jan dangro ki ku dangro ki ko ge ba ke 35 ki 40 na mona ya dar first of all ngai kon dar no dar lo nyaadu cher mi yeg nije ko le shi chiker ke je so 25,000 dollar wa cha ka de luang ngene mishi ngadu kwena ano cha yuriti cha ka de luang ma do cha de luang cha ko la ro ne de yuriti de ka yopin cha yu chi yang kel de te ko dang dog dollar dong de yang kel der te ko dang raw ki ko dollar defending ka do badan te market te ke je a cha ko lu gujino ne mu kunna ki yang kel te ko dang raw dollar ki ko dang jok cha gujino ne bi ne tum wanaken chicken hok kun chicken bulwang and then member to gene bika gwar biken karwet bika gwar nyet biken ka kwal ko yomi nyal chi ruet ke chi kwal and then ba chu nyal a cha yer then dong ba yu kun ko wel ki o die cha to ngwa de mo china bule we wonyam ba chu je ga ngwa ka bi ter bu chu tin a jem ne na ne tam mi cha nyal cha je ruet ke cha je kwal la ja gu ken wo yen chia value nyamo cha je yot pin and then bukur batu ko te gane to gur ko kon ka jaram mone ban metina ke fixed number mit chak mit de luang why no de kun dera go anyo kun cha de o mai na rodin kun dera la mo go mo nong mar bara te mo kun tamaka te la mi jeng mi cham na rodin te mi jira mo kun ka chang der ajin jira mo jeng ni jen ke ba cham long ka ba e chol bono jin je go na ba la jor den tu wan te bala te widu den kun war mo ruet ni nyaltin wa tia ke long bi nyal bi churut ya chu kwa da na wa luk tin then no well we your pinky o well ki o di chatwo and then ba chung nya mo ba korul and then cha no mo cha ila de ken chun ma chela do ne jina idea me cha jere jak o cha nyal cha be kwen ka peng mi din mi chikano ken bina lu ka ngote konte ye na rodin ka 1942 are do anwere cha ro mo cha jelat so mo de ye na ngaji no no ka mana le ro ne me agenda na chikan la de no bejo kwen gwazo me ka to English ko biya jeling so gor ko no bana ngaj bana jeling ka do brani kan lat ke je ko chigana gor ka to ka waine the Nuer community has resolved to harmonize its customary law following a major conference held at the weekend in Juba, addressing long-standing differences related to marriage, dowry, and compensation. Well, the 3 days gathering brought together Nuer elders, chief, legal scholar, youth, and members of the diaspora to review and revise the existing customary practice within Nuer land. The effort aimed to unify the community legal framework across different regions and sections of the Nuer people. Speaking at the conclusion of the event, James Osmai, the chairman of the Nuer community in Juba, he said that the review was long overdue, noting that inconsistent practice had created confusion and inequality. We have had disunity between eastern and western section of the Nuer. He said practice around marriage, dowry, and compensation vary widely, which has caused confusion and unfair treatment. This conference was about creating one common law to govern us all. Osmai stated. A key focus on the discussion was the rising cost of dowries, which has created barrier for many young men seeking to marry traditionally. Dowries range between 25 and 35 cow, but in recent years, expectation have surged to as high as 120 to 200 cows, with some communities placing a cash value of up to $300 per cow. Might describe the trend as unsustainable and unfair, particularly for young men who cannot afford such amount of money. This is affecting our youth. It's also affecting the community. He said, if someone is asked to pay 120 cows and at $200 each, that's nearly 25,000 US dollar. Where will a young man find that kind of money? He said many young people are now resorting to informal union or unrecognized marriage, which risk further social problem. To address the issue, the conference resolved to set a standard, the standard value of $200 per cow, and encourage reasonable dowry expectation across all Nuer sections. Another area of debate was whether parents should demand higher dowries based on the amount they invested is raising or educating their daughters. Guadamani, Mai rejected the idea, arguing that child rearing is a parental responsibility and should not be commercialized through dowry negotiation. Un mai jenne a jenne and will be rami momichi nyade chejadap kabe nyade be kwaka ping medit a jenne me ko jenne sherom jenang dwel gorke che kok beni che kok war a jenne money a responsibility of a parent. Chi dung ne ko kien ko chi chaka nyadu ka chi kamrar so chi de bu kong che ka ping medit ko shirom ma chi de rom chit ke mi ram ra dien den bradin bi ko charge ko jenne chi rom ba yu wan ba ko yor bi kwire ki ok jenne me chi mo go ram mo. Your responsibility as a parent and will be ramomo be deal pit no can be take the birom. And we do not consider how much someone spend raising their daughters. Yanchine consider rojin bilano chak one chaka yar ke chaka spend one munye yatin mede yatin jiram mo cha jogono na mo your responsibility aladu ko jin parent china de jogono yene ko charum ko peng mudit e ba nyaare ba dil kwen kokti 120 ke 200. So at this point there met kon ke osmai ke jo chala gwas mani. The initiative to harmonize the Nuer customer law will not stop in Juba. Organizers say the resolution from the conference are just the beginning of a nationwide consultation process that will involve local leaders and community members from across Nuer territories in South Sudan and the diaspora. Jo ikalat gwaza me kenene me chibu tokon gwaza mo gwaza tege jub mona baje nangre which Nuer now doltin bedit buko doltin bone ka do badan de kenelen of course go region one one they can youtin chit kadit ko ba pe ba yotin ngai kon lo ngano pe queen chewoniam cha queen chai la luang right now rit kan gwar so tel mo gam lad me le rode. So here the chairman Osmai say the community is drawing from a range of historical legal texts, including the original Nuer Customary Code drafted in 1942, as well as updated version developed during the liberation struggle. And my general luike kongote konte cha kon realekane ke ron kit kel kurbangwan gen wan idero. He said that we want to consolidate everything, historical document, community view, and expert input into one final legal framework that reflect the value and reality of today, he said. Janet ne diala konin gurgan o de kan char de kan matin ba ka gur kay nyok ba te diala konin sha goni ko gwate dan ni ka 1942 ke anytime mo mi sha mo char le ka jamo no ken o ne diala kontin tere wit nuari ba jut ken dial ba lat goskel ba ka document ko ba do bnan de na on yam ka je ba je kula diala ka den ba customer law na na gur ka ke bo money man di gur ka no de na yen ka je ku kwen kan ku shi ngan nuari ba je kula lat. Diaspora communities will also be consulted through the NAAD Institute and Cultural and Research Organization that is facilitating participation from the Nuer professional abroad. Again, we're going to content to win to goal to the diaspora, be carried. Right now, China Mingi Guasmane. A customer law, yes, go in idea, but to me, this is not the right time. Right now. And Obanara ko take a queen by your pin, keep queen by your nyam, Kate, Jaglat Korean. Why don't we focus the problem at Wore Dwaranan, one Nako continent Tamajang, Nako continent, a kilm yadit. Kan gada ti kadola me wale, Kate chadol me chadol pan, Kaki money. These are the people in content to Nuari, Pindian. But Nuerka Kuling, Kaliu Nuari, what kind of law? Marai can quide, because you can dear Kachang Nuari and Onaka Nuari. Where are they heading? Yen be one end to share dear Biaka Realka. One end to no nakake, Boga chemically, Kayan toy yen to Ladian can go take a motor barrialka quick queen, Kiman. Point to Nayan Maralato, Marden were the Gonyam. Nayan Madan Ledian can community. Nika 2013, January Chakanak, especially with my Kigarud my take a 10 minute, Katada real Nurekeje, but instead Chakwanyalanga, Chakwanyala chairman Kanware, Kajuba. I recall his video core Pade Paiwo, Major right. And January, we are focused. Kanyoj, we are focused. Palakur ke Kumen. Kumen na. Naganwari, ban you could lady. And Malat Keche Giacano Bao, you think ko began worrying when we began queen, began long, or right now, talk, there are more de queen a lato, a Korea Cha Yonia, Cha Ping with Cha Yonia. And Odena Queen K 120, K 200, young Kelty $200, a pig material alone. $25,000 brand go jingly. Right now, Chang Nador con worry, Jack Telemanana quite a champion. Tell no point young, quite you call Ojingly. Bejamat, Baname de Jogonone. I know about pick by your nail, I can call a politician worry. The run a queen cock to want it, because you took Kanyalko by force in Jaco, don't get a deed, child in Onyal, but be forced, you be she man because force. Kerun Binyal Bodak after that. A login dear, Kerman down a boy yarkiji. Like Tom do walk, but La Largano Guananuko, Jim Noro Generan, a general Guanajan, Kanochin Yalchabuch with Ordanatin. But Yamba Queen cocked to one cabo Dakarun. And then Bishaman low struggle go can octopay can you can knock pinte conte chanang, Bagalo chul, my dear Jebbe long as young baby, she young Mogakan were in a minute. Me personally, Chetika Queen wearing one, rule Ethiopia. Okay. 1081 to Quinike $200, check Queen Ken, check a shoot K video on a lantathan. Lana surprise alone sometime, Mr. Queen will take a 200 K 120 cows. York a pink and yal, Kanyamba Dagi or Grunwang, Lana Gujalona away some money. Lana, so Lana way there yet, but tell we are corner content Kadiana Gandian. Quenna cocked chicken at all. So it means that Nyamo charge no Mukwan Janono. A year again. Pick an icon of Cornwary, Kashang Mogua, A20, K35, K30. Miram to quack along the net of that Queen K30. But with that quack, then you should pay 25. And yok, Muko Cornwell at all logo con one worry. And the Oriki Queen Nana Quinagajan. Dumede con Queen de con again yok. This is my point of view, okay, as an opinion, a la chara. Dume, de con Queen de con yok going there, Teddy. Queen Shangdar. Queen Changdar, they make a pig kanganam tot. They make cock to tot. They queen war, again they latka ping mudir there teddy. Go queen war, trade they take a gut. Kagan Mitch talk then, Jatok, can a topic a deal of family. Again they charge Kelongo, Karamukun Yankashangdar, Ramukun Yankashangdar, first of all, can a rod an end. Either Yambo, dap, Kishabadap. So they titi they can yok Mukwa reverse to me. De con Queen Changda de la Kung de la Cock to tot. Co Queen Pussa. De Queen Waro Kuala Lonija, Manang Narodiantin, again the Kulo Moja, co to one. Imagine, Co Queen Changdar, Baju make a boat, but the run by your deck. Binyalba be Queen Cock to tot, get 10 cattle, Janari nothing, Narian make a boatin, Dumin Lelga General, which in Yalchi Rutka, Gatchian, and then they walk to your 25, ki tar de ga yor pin mu nyon jen wo ci kwen ci lel ci no den de ramu kun ka chang der ok to ko jen dangro ki o wel di der ga yor pin why don't they do that ko na mene nyo jen o kwen mu gwa you know they attend the loinat ko dia jen loinat cheta mi ramu jen kun ka chang der den la gor jen o nyinga dial kon te ke jen dial ba ka tuken dial tel mu dot ka je so na madar kulu gware na me jaga gor kon charten na long kon e kon chal ken ware dunkwen ajen ci ali ngone bane kono kon tere yike juba chicken dier kan ware ko na kan ware ka rai ken no te ka customer law to gor kono ba bare aleka so jeremy de kon chicken dier kan ware de kon focus ne kono wan tema ka refugee camp mi jinu gi population dan ya ko refugee camp de no juba ten ne de toten gane kon de ke kirmi yadit can all this leader to nak nuot ke dia na chicken dia kan wari ka still te kan ko de ngot de ka gap so gori jeno de kon charten chana mi roch gwasame ka look dia je kon dia to kon ka ngai ko ba look ba je look run ka kwi Dr. Machar look mo but ba ki dit be kanu dia je ngai kon dia la we are aware of that and Riek Machar che ko tendan and cha chol special court che look ban nuere kon to kon right ke kwidian tama ke ka bian Dr. Machar no kan de kon kwa Riek Machar kwa je gwan ke ne dia la kon te lo jen ko Riek Machar no de je la rete jen michina me bane ngaji no chi magwa jin ramu mo la randun gor no chot jena pin le jena rete jen e ko jene nuer you know ke take a power ke jena kwar e ko kor gwan ber che la kwar then bia gor no bia shot rate jena mo dera gwade money mi jaga long shi mo gwa ke jene de kon tilan were but chi jena dini jena long cham gwa kon humiliate ko na me humiliation kwa humiliate kon were dumre kon ka ngai ko lat ka kon jeg dio jena me chede to but che to no kan kwa ko kon right ko kwiden tame chi nyure yuko juba chi kan dier ka manana to ka Riek Machar that's why you see them right ne kan no take a customer law to latke gwan mi moto kon ko kwa kon humiliate ray which ja kon displace agwada din tama tika malo na idwaran I want to ask question dorana tama agwada din Nasir Lungashuk Maywut Fangak Unity State la kapanya jar kana mayom ki agwada din mataka malo right now right kon medela roneti ke stable teleka problem so they can continue living their life with the newer customer law ku kan la gore ni tama kangai kon no 90% ka kon wer ka kharo ji kem agwad din ti kon ti garo ji kem ten de no kan kwarti de dier kan ko do dan de no de wo ge jere shushka den dan de kan dier ka ja but there am dier ka la kan le chetel mi choda la chetel mi to re do an wer chetel re mi to ko kon they just like as if there's nothing is happening ka kon chetel situation mi to ko kon chetel gan wer anak you know but karam dini chiang la chere jen ko which bari ale kede but diena kon tama chiga kai targa tel mo gam let kene so mo jakon ko dene charlong kon ngani kien ram mom no go den wadero nyam gore charma gwa gore ngedan tam right now ka kon so shoes kon long ka chon mi chiro de lot a chon mi dit Riek Machar men gu yena yende ki log lu ko jamo lung mi je ki lung mo gwa ko nyodo kon dial kon e kon chale nuare ajer balas ki story chable le Riek Machar balari Riek Machar nuer mi cha humiliate e kirma yadit tene timo atila ke jeno Riek Machar te ke dwer ba dwere lengu dwere o chore ke juba Riek Machar che o ke chuka ke juba it was a force munonke international community IGAD Africa Union European Union Kennedy ala kontin la peace partner tin charin yaje no biken mal biken la tre wi ka South Sudan che dewo mera ni kan le 2016 chogwa ina bur 2018 to anyo umrel jeka right now chele la 2025 ano chikala no Riek Machar ba mal ba jelat ba transitional government ba jelat then ba queen quarry national election ba jelat but yet she can respond right now so ka Canadian kon tin te karek chi Riek Machar gure ne odi will want take a policy mo gorke take a right mo gorke jero mo la na rin wa kep ke jerun mu china ko ngot cha lele jabang ke chat ke ne la yen manana chala win mo yana gurien dial and then bi akulu wo wonya den do dan len ngaro den ke so me bele Riek Machar no ngum cho ko juba mone jene te karek you know some people let ken no Riek Machar che kum chele la dung duar I don't think so she jen do dan de yen lat ke jeno no mal mutetina en ran en gwa the guru mo der wutin diri chong jene kir teleriak but me kwala targene ye eng ma char jaga juba nuer ka nasr nuer ka lungshuk nuer ka maywut nuer ka fangak nuer ka kobo gwada na kwa lo nektin no shikan tige juba wa kan nang ne dor ken kren yale why mishi oto kwa targene nuer mi reng ma chade kan chuje ka juba jot ngule al nuer lo ne ka je mon gwada ken dor ken kontekten tika ne ka kantini ken ka wa kam gor ka ke de ni kin mi yadi mishi oto kwa targene nuer please you guys should think dien char ano ko yen ngana wi yen which nueri nang yenene the no brudun beken atagen rieng machar ka jeno ru rieng machar mi ko joje do chaje ku yen akwa nga pa kwa ngut akir what about you din betene wana dien tibi chulu ru ne nueri bi aloka ko kana to gwadam ti dialati lat ke ko ba nueri ba ka ham jin mi bi gwadam titino chamu kwendo iguje rieng machar lat ke jemo i wojene it dong e dunde ka wade chi dunde even you tomorrow what dana wiro lele bichong bi woka kirm yadi do kirm yadi ledemi jek den gwa dana bi nenten ngare machar cha fight ka liberty dung South Sudan cha self determination cha je no cha South Sudan cha je but I na go je no we dare take democracy we de je lat de ri de la re ka South Sudan is the only person who fight ko de South Sudan de la free ka corruption but look je aneten konden kwa le chamre we ka South Sudan so yen were kono shunkel ke kirm yadi please char and wota dana bidien kaje nakan wore chwaji guje no one day no bunwer be can let go like this year be can forget to conquer 2025 gwan moti dial ngai ke jeno jina jinga especially right now be beje lunka neten content cha tuken cha kale unless me ba wi kap ne ye ba lat ko kwer ban we ben ko wo ba ji kwanya la tok abna bu ke nyure shi ne ken ke community a cin ram kel shi benen ko election me mu we to la tok den ba kwanya na ba ji ya kwanya ne dorun ban mi kana kan kwanya we mean that ke chiro le timile yerun ta mala kwanya ni ji tomorrow cha bu an pick ni ji ba ji kwanya ram gwa mo ken community ken kwanya let's say konchora le ram shi kwanya kana kwanya ane de kondi te ka panal kwanya gene ye ko jen banwar ba ko nak chirme she la already che kirmu yadi order che la let jenwer che na nasir che na fanga ngum ken ke konchora le lat ke jeno chaje go already che la bangante right now kame dan mete kwer le che cha de wo le che me ko nobody can remove him that's what he thought but right now jeni chaje yagwa the money chit ke ur chetel mu to ko je already den chara den chanyo go noni michal ke je $1 ba no ba je binyo ko mu yot ke je kim yadi when it's time done ba nyo mu kwa je removed then batel me be je ba je use and time but tomorrow which can no man cha go kim yadi me kana la let and then ba je removed a chang man to court te gani de tin man kun point man de koken ne de ti la ya kap ko ne je ga tek nga ga le loten donc ba ba le no honwere den ma da lat ke but kana min election kana mu nyura baje kula kwany anwari ano jin chajo ku kwany ro chaji no kwany ka ji ko jin chela do tem belat so mu we kana shude shal ka meje kop dollar dai wika apnal ka malakal we can che man chala da kirbi yadi che lelet then baje wu tomorrow ba removed so that's what gonna happen the same thing chala da James Kong shorale 6 months January cheka non stop ken kon ngani a population mitiri chena kon shorale right now chabu forget michit ken mene ko wona kon ko bana doran bana jeger michit dit kon ci telot den kan gat ko ken la ngani ci kan de telot ci ta dana ci de content dit ci telot ke je be karu dina kok kala kan raj bold len wo ken no kono den wade ke sha history kun sha ga yar already they go down in the history no ka yen betrayal kan wer community shima yene to go so jo me gorjen wode lariye run reg machar no bo ko court ka chang bakel ka jen paywel ron cin dangro jen dangro ridich wa mi mo ba nyok mo waje ti already che court che jere jak special court then try you silent no bin tel mi shalat ne ko la judges but tomorrow dio je we can respond ko ngor batikan kai witness ti kan no ngon ti gol apanal unity state kan godin ko ken ti bu testify ka kireng machar kan ji kwara ja kon kodi already chireng machar shelo run ba auto le wide kreng machar take a point ni chalat ka to kon dial cha ka lok jene medan me no ka jeno biati ke je o ba jo de ba jo tu ko la mi chai chung nyam na la jo lai bina tu bi che tu chinai dial shi ka nge ngai ko dong reng machar be la de yes no reng machar take immunity constitutional immunity reng machar jen point me dane chalat ka nasir is a violation of ceasefire namo a citizen de investigator she national security don't kill me yadit anyok special court ne the content ko establish e kill me yadit kana ne the content jakwan la minister of justice reng machar jene ba look kai breed court I breed court mu waje to ngayen mambo to baka gantene men kill me yadit ba jeno ko balungi all the thing te to gwa kore nage china chana nage awene ko 2013 2016 abene gen 2025 ame cha be pel ba be kim yadi be jogon ajen mi lokane longo no de hybrid code je establish chere cha la dwire ma charno mi lad yen mon o tem cha hybrid code kana ko establish ka South Sudan so be alibe men mi cha hybrid code cha lel cha je ko no but for now the special code no be judge be jala alok just it was forced ngai ke je already win mon chenga men international community right kan ro ngai kem dan le road they are keeping quiet ke ne te continent ngari ma char re wiki juba so na me der gwa no de yenalin titine ke tiburi en lat run gwadan ba da ma char ba din yokom lo getin kan je kwara chenga men focus te ka potkang minister of petroleum e ko china nyin re doare ka gwa ngeje char dial chala wide I believe tomorrow better ka tok anyok cheng ma char che bono ko no ba potkang ba de yen ke je kwara chere me da na chelat ku ri shal ke me uri shal ke me lol gat kot me alol gat kot me cha yen 2013 edan kana man long ka chenkel che kiri jogo no mugur jeno bi konti kamal lol gat kodamo kana ji kwar dia luinke jen bi konti kamal lol gat kod chiro ko be nyoga meten road en tama agen riek machar a very sad long ne ramo mi ci jilwak riek machar ka radden kana jemen wichin wojen ba safa never la gor jeno ne di albuka lor ba mu go ba je alaka ba lokaje akir me yadi ko kir do jen ki election national election lokaje jem nen yana tama kwa don wan kwa ka delay to kon ka pai wero tama ci do ne pe dangro bo ka pai wero to kon pai wel then pai wero be chwa pai be chwa 2026 ke 2026 then election ba je lat ke December pai wero ka 2026 me nyodo di kir ko delay men ko jalat ko she gor no te wana balat te wana kalat unification of force teleje permanent constitution ngoro kana kontu benaka refugees do brande ga ngare wika so Sudan e dia ngoro kan galalat tel mi chane infalmen ba ngaji no ne me chaje tu chek na me ji ke chala bu che ka che ka UN gwadedan UN assembly mi wala ke New York me ka ka no ne it will 60% ke peace agreement jaga tu e ka ke all this stuff so jo me gor jeno jel de ladje tomorrow ba ko nyodo be South Sudan ba kor kie be malbeben those are the only two things that we have ajen jo dana gor no de nyo kon kel mi jiram jirit gwasme please gor no subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko bitin kon lat ko den buken chamara chukaji ka nyok mute mi de agor ba de agor ka tungnat de lem gwat monetin content be ke mandan le rode ngai kon dialo tin lat ko den wika South Sudan Rivian dialo ba no ba ka kick out only that and we are to go malban jumro dian